JVIZ Gantt chart is a Power BI visual used to track portfolio and project schedules. Setting up the visual is simple and only requires adding your project's start and end date. JVIZ Gantt chart offers several visual formatting options, including multiple timeline views and the ability to customize or toggle the display for year, quarter, and month. Quickly customize styling of the project area by adjusting the background color and width using the color selector or width slider. The bar height on the Gantt chart can easily be adjusted, and you can use conditional formatting to dynamically change the bar color based on a hex color field in your table. Stay on top of your schedule each day by toggling the Today line option, and quickly sort your Gantt chart by task name, start, or end date. With JVIZ Gantt chart, create professional project management schedules that visually tell your data story. Why wait? Try JVIZ Gantt chart free today in Microsoft AppSource and be ready to captivate your audience with an informative visualization.